Today I will show you 3 common grammar mistakes you must stop making right now. The first one is he don't like tea. The right sentence is he doesn't like tea. He, she, it. Third person singular form સાથે does આવે do નહીં. Next one is she is very good in English. The right sentence is she is very good at English. This is perfect sentence. ઇનની જગ્યાએ at આવી. Last one is I didn't saw him. The right sentence is I didn't see him. Did ની સાથે હંમેશા વર્બનું બેઝ ફોર્મ યુઝ કરવું. saw નહીં, see. So friends, small changes make your sound confident and fluent. Practice daily and speak smart English with me every day. આવા નાના નાના સુધારાઓ તમારી ઇંગ્લિશને સ્માર્ટ બનાવશે. દરરોજ શીખીએ એક ઇઝી ટિપ્સ સાથે.